Okay, this is just a quick recording on how to add and remove and edit hyperlinks in Zoho sites. It's a very easy process based on the assumption that your content, the text that you want to add the link to, is already in the website. Okay, so let's assume for this demo that I want to put in a link on the words click here. I want to link to another page on this website. Okay, so to do that, it's very easy. When I click in the text box, in the text paragraph element, and I highlight the text like this, the editor screen or box will pop up. Over here you see two functions, remove link and link. The one that we're going to do first, because there's no link existing at the moment, is to add a new link. So I would click this and I have these options down here. I can enter the link to an external website, opening it in a new tab or the same tab. I can link to a page, which is what we're going to do. I can link to an email address, an anchor on the same page. I can link to download files. Those will depend on the files you have on your system. Or I can link to a phone number if you have a click to call function on your website. So we're going to link in this case to a page on the website. So I would do this, and then the select page drop down will come up. Now this select page drop down depends entirely on what's on your website. In this case I want to link to the products main page. Do I want to link it in a new tab or the same tab? As we're linking to a different page on our own website, it will probably be in the same tab. If it was an external website, we would link it in a new tab so that you can retain your website in the other one. And you can I can put in a tooltip here on when you mouse over the link. Okay, and then I'll just click OK, and as you see, the text has changed to orange in this case. That is the hyperlinked text. That is dependent entirely on the template or the CSS that you are using in your Zoho site's website. It will look differently to this depending on what template you're using. So that's the link. Now to test it, these links won't work in preview mode, so I'm going to have to publish this. Okay, so it'll just be a simple case of publishing the website. And then to test it, I can go over here, and it was on this page. I have to wait for it to publish. So I scroll down, here's the form that was embedded, and here you see the link. So I can click the link, see what it does, and good, it goes to the page that I wanted, which is the products main page. That's all I wanted to do, so that link has worked. Now if I want to go back and change that link anyhow, I simply go back to Zoho Sites admin side, I click, highlight the link text, and I can change the page here. Okay, so if I wanted to go to a specific subpage, I can do so. I just select it here. That's how you edit a hyperlink. You simply highlight the link text, click the link button, and change the information that you keyed in previously. If I want to remove the link entirely, I simply select this one, remove link, and now it's gone. Sometimes, based on experience, if you're having any problem with hyperlinks, it's sometimes easier just to remove the link entirely and then just add a new one. So in that case, I would remove it as I've just done, click here, and then start over. Okay, I'm just going to put in the same information for the purpose of this demo, and there. I didn't highlight it properly. Good example of trying to do it very quickly. So you must highlight it properly and go to the page, select the page, and there. Okay, so in that case I didn't type in a tooltip. You can just leave it as it is. So that's how to add a new hyperlink, edit the hyperlink, and remove the hyperlink. In this case, we were talking about linking to existing pages in your website. Obviously, if the page is not in that drop down, then it's because you haven't added that page. You need to add the page first, and then you can link to it. Okay, so that's just some sequence of steps to be aware of. Okay, thanks very much.